Hello guys, let's look at the target attempt per section so that I can get the IIM call. ये नंबर कहीं नोट कर लो, दोबारा मत पूछना मेरे से कि सर मैं ये कैटेगरी का हूँ, क्या है क्या नहीं है. So as per the IIM, this is the minimum cutoff required. So verbal, let's say 70 percentile is my target. 70 percentile, 70 percentile, and overall my target will become 80 percentile. 70 पे भी कॉल आएगा ही आएगा, बट हम टारगेट लेके चलते हैं 80 percentile. These are the cutoff for main IIMs. मैं अभी बेबी IIM की बात नहीं कर रहा, मेन IIM की बात कर रहा हूँ. तो 70, 70, 70 एंड 80 ये चार नंबर हम याद रखेंगे परसेंटाइल. एंड हाउ मच इज अ स्कोर बेस्ड ऑन दैट. 70 परसेंटाइल वर्बल मतलब 14 मार्क्स, 3 मार्क के एक क्वेश्चन, मतलब आई नीड टू डू गेट 15 मार्क्स, which mean ideally 5 question correct. But if I attempt 5 question, get 5 question correct, this will be very difficult because accuracy is always a factor. So our target is 8 to 10 attempts. हम 8 लेके चलते हैं. Verbal में I have to do 8 attempt. DLR cutoff is 8, which is 9 marks, mean 3 question correct. Now 3 question correct, I need to attempt around 5, 6. So let's keep it at 6. इसके ऊपर आपको जितना करना लेके जाओ. First, I want you to clear this cutoff. The day I get this marks, I'll increase my targets. Verbal same 9, so I have to attempt 6 questions. So my thumb rule is 866. So wherever you study, please put this question on board. I have to do minimum 8 attempt, 6 attempt, 6 attempt. With good accuracy of around 80%, I'll definitely get the IIM calls and will be able to convert that also. So 866 is the magic number for the CAT exam. Yeah, we're launching our crash course as well. So in case you want to join our crash course so that we can clear the cutoff. See, everybody is good in one area. कोई maths में good होता है, कोई verbal में good है, कोई logic में. So in other words, you are bad in one of the areas. So wherever you are bad in, please join our crash course, a 60 days crash course. And if you're from the reserved category, you are at the door of IIMs. Yeah, increase the score by 30 marks. Simple target is to increase the score by 30 marks. That includes your basics and advanced everything. So in case you want to join, the fees is 299 for the program, and in case you want to join us for the mock strategy program, that is 999 with target of 25 mocks. Okay, so these are the magic numbers 866, which will definitely get me the IIM calls and convert as well. It depends upon your accuracy, all depend on accuracy. So marks wise 15, 10, 10. These are the magic numbers I need to touch. Marks wise 15, 10, 10. If I can cross this number, overall percentile automatically will cross 80, which is 40 marks. So मेरा 10, 10, 15, 35, because we'll not stop at 10, we'll obviously do more. But अगर 5, 10, 10 अगर अपना score आ गया, ideal score, I will definitely get the IIM call irrespective of your category. OBC है, SC, ST, whichever category you belong to, you have to just cross this number. And overall score of 35, let's make it 40. See, I'm not saying, because I'll get a few comments why you are restricting only for 40 marks. भाई तुम आगे जाएंगे. The day I cross 40, my next target becomes 60, which is 95 percentile. My next target becomes 85, which is 99 percentile. So the 3 targets, 40, 60, 80, and will gradually grow. Yeah. So first target, the minimum target is 688. The moment I touch it, I can increase my target to 10, 10, 10. जिस दिन ये हो गया, I'll increase my target to 15. यार you can do 20, 20, 20. There's 60 mark का पेपर, तो 60 का 60 करके आ मेरी जान. But I have to consider my accuracy as well. I have to keep my feet grounded. So this is the minimum score required, in which I'll get the IIM call 15, 15, and 10. And nobody can stop you from getting the IIM call if you touch these numbers. Right? So if I consider the accuracy factor, suppose my accuracy is very, very high. Considering the ideal scenario, I need 70 percentile in each section. So 14 marks, 8 marks, 9 marks. मतलब 3 question correct, 3 question correct, 5 question correct. If I can get 5 question correct, 3 question correct, 3 question correct, I am getting a call for IIMs. So trust me guys, nothing can be more motivating than this. Some of you might be already feeling down, but the moment you see this number, तुम लगता कि अरे यार ये तो मैं already achieve कर रहा हूँ, तो मतलब मैं IIM में जा रहा हूँ already, कॉल तो आ ही रहा है. Then my target become higher. The moment I get 5 question correct, I'll increase my target to 8 question correct, 8, 5, 5. Then I'll increase my target to 10, 8, 8. See, if I set the target immediately high, people will start feeling demotivated. 10, 10 question correct is my main target, but I cannot do it immediately. Yeah, first let's cross this number, let's guarantee IIM, then we'll move up the value chain, because जितना ज़्यादा marks आएगा obviously उतना easy रहेगा for me to convert the interviews. Fine, all the best, thank you.